Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to check your gift card balance on Office Depot. If you don't have an Office Depot account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see a section for shopping. Under Shopping, you will see an option that says Gift Cards. Click on Gift Cards. Now, at the bottom part of the screen, you will see a section for Check Your Balance. To proceed, click on Check Your Balance. Next, enter the gift card number on the blank field provided. After that, enter the PIN number. After entering, click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot. Then click on Check Balance. That's how you check your gift card balance on Office Depot. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.